little white stripe. Say hello. Yeah. He's got little white foot. Little white feet. This guy is going crazy. This one's surprising me. He's turning out nice. He was a little scrawny one. Now he's got a really nice looking little body. Get the cat looking at him. Here's Mr. Kitty watching his puppies. What you think, Kitty? You like the puppies? You like the puppies? You want him to nurse on you? You like the nurse? He's home. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh goodness, I know you think I'm gonna feed you. You don't need no food. No, you don't need no food right now. Yeah, okay, that's good enough.